Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars, where we bring you the most exciting rides on the road. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that continues to dominate the SUV market in style, power, and reliability, the all-new Toyota Fortuner 2026. At first glance, the Fortuner 2026 is unmistakably bold. Toyota has taken the rugged DNA of its previous models and infused it with a more modern, aggressive edge. The redesigned front grille is wider, bolder, and integrated with sleeker LED headlights that stretch back with a razor-sharp look. The new bumper design and alloy wheels give it an even more athletic stance. This SUV doesn't just look ready for the road, it looks ready to rule it. Under the hood, Toyota hasn't held back. The 2026 Fortuner offers a more refined 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, tuned for better fuel efficiency without compromising on the raw torque that off-road lovers crave. It puts out an impressive 220 horsepower and around 500 Nm of torque, paired with either a 6-speed automatic or a brand new 8-speed automatic transmission, smooth, responsive, and made for all terrains. But power isn't everything. What's truly new this year is Toyota's approach to smart driving. The 2026 Fortuner now comes equipped with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this beast feel surprisingly easy. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or venturing off the grid, it has your back. Step inside and you'll notice an immediate shift in luxury. Toyota has upgraded the materials across the cabin, giving it a more premium feel. Soft touch surfaces, a new floating 12-inch infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital instrument cluster make the experience more connected and intuitive. Dual-zone climate control, ventilated front seats, and ambient lighting ensure every journey feels first class. For families and adventurers alike, practicality still reigns. The 3-row seating remains spacious and flexible, with improved legroom and boot space compared to previous models. The middle row now slides further to allow easier access to the third row, and folding all seats gives you enough cargo space to fit nearly anything. Toyota hasn't forgotten its off-road fans either. The 2026 Fortuner is built on an updated version of the body-on-frame platform, giving it even more rigidity and stability. It features a refined 4-wheel drive system with low-range gearing, hill descent control, and terrain select modes. Whether you're climbing steep rocky trails or cruising across sand dunes, this SUV handles it all with confidence. What's more impressive is the new suspension tuning. Ride comfort has significantly improved. Bumps and potholes are no longer a problem, making this Fortuner just as suitable for urban driving as it is for mountain trails. It's a true hybrid of luxury and utility. Fuel economy has been improved slightly thanks to better engine calibration and weight reduction through smarter material use. Toyota is also offering a mild hybrid version in select markets, providing a boost in efficiency and a smoother driving experience without sacrificing power. Toyota has hinted at adding more tech features via over-the-air updates. This means your Fortuner will stay current long after you drive it off the lot. It's another step forward in Toyota's plan to future-proof their vehicles and bring their loyal fanbase into the connected car era. The 2026 model also gets new color options, including a deep metallic blue and a matte black finish that's turning heads everywhere. And yes, TRD fans, there's a sportier trim with red stitching, paddle shifters, and performance accents that give it an even more aggressive personality. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has kept things competitive. The base model offers great value for those who want capability without breaking the bank, while the top-tier trims stack up features that rival luxury SUVs at nearly double the price. To wrap it up, the Toyota Fortuner 2026 is a perfect blend of what SUV lovers want: power, technology, comfort, and off-road readiness, all wrapped in a package that looks more stylish than ever. Whether you're a city driver with a weekend warrior side or someone constantly exploring the unbeaten path, this vehicle delivers. That's all for today's feature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Dream Cars for more content like this. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you pick the new Fortuner for your next adventure? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.